Hey everyone, welcome to my October monthly vlog. I am starting just a few days late, but it is actually October 4th, which is my birthday, and I am turning 30 years old. It's kind of crazy. Can't believe I'm 30. I feel like I'm 16. I feel like I'm a 30-year-old teenager. So I don't really have any big plans, but I am gonna go to dinner tonight. I'm gonna have sushi. My dog is just panting. She just came inside from running around like crazy, so she is a little loud. But I'm gonna go to dinner tonight, have some sushi. I'm really excited for that, but no big plans otherwise. I did take today off just to relax at home, so that was nice. And yeah, I am now 30 and flirty. So it is Friday, it's my day off, and it's kind of like a gloomy, rainy kind of Friday, but I want to go run some errands, and I want to go to Michael's, I might go to Target, I might go to Marshall's if I'm really feeling it, but Michael's is definitely the one I want to go to. I want to get some spray paint and some puff paint for a craft project that I want to work on, and even though it's still October and Christmas is far away, I want to make a few like little DIY Christmas type of videos and stuff like that, so I have to, you know, do it quite far ahead in order to plan it, edit it, post it, have people time to see it, and then have time to get stuff themselves. So I need to get a couple things today, and hopefully I can make some headway on that. So we're gonna go run to Michael's, and hopefully they have what I want. I think they do. I checked online, but we will see. Alright, we have made it to the Michael's. I hope I find what I'm looking for. Like I said, I need spray paint in a very particular color, and I need white puff paint. So I'm sure they have all these things. I looked them up online, but just like finding them in stores is always the hard part. And the puff paint, oh my gosh, I feel like that stuff used to be so cheap back in the like 90s where I'd play with that stuff. Luckily, I think I have a coupon, so that'll knock it down a little bit. Found some. There's so many browns to choose from, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think that's a good gingerbread kind of color. Okay, I got everything I was needing from Michael's, plus one extra thing. There are a few things I was really wanting to get because it kind of blew my mind how it's the beginning of October, and all of their Halloween stuff is 50% off. Next stop, we're going to Target. All right, we are done at Target. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know why I went in there because I didn't need anything, but I ended up getting just a plain black V-neck and that hair detangler I wanted to try from Shea Moisture. So I got that, and then I got a little pizza for lunch because I'm starving and I didn't eat breakfast. So I decided to swap the gym today for a walk outside. It's very nice. It's like 75 degrees and it's sunny. Just rather be outside than in the gym today. So we're gonna walk around this park. They recently just renovated it a little bit, so I can't wait to see. I haven't seen it since springtime maybe. So I've got my pre-workout here. I've got a little bit left of that I'm gonna drink, and I'm waiting for my mom to get here, and we'll do some walking around the pond/lake. You really can't see much at all, but it's so pretty here, and I used to come to this park growing up, so I can't wait to see what they did with it.
Look at the pink deer up there.
Yeah, those are cute. See, I like those. These like little pretzel sticks.
Look at all that.
Yeah, I like those too. See, and I think I could even like make like DIY some of these, like with those little macaroon molds that I have. Well, see, even salt dough, I can do like little salt dough ones like these.
Mrs. Ealer always used to have me do cookies, and she...
See, I just want to find like a little frame like that, and then I can like DIY the little text. So I just got done filming a video, and I feel like my hair turned out really cute, and I love it because number one, it's just a hairpiece, so I feel like it makes it look like I tried so much harder to style my hair than usual, and it's literally just a hairpiece. I also can't get over like how well this like color matches my hair. I actually have 3 others. It's hard when you're a blonde. You always have like a varying shade of blonde. So I've actually got 4 different colors. So I've got one for more of like a silver color, one for like perfect for my hair now, one for when it's like a little bit blonder. It's just like, I've got options. I love it. And I got these from Shein for like $4 a piece. Makes it look like I put a lot more effort in my hair than I did. So here you can see, here's the 4 different colors. This is the one that I was just wearing. So I've got one for more like silver platinum, one's more like a bright blonde, one's a little more sandy blonde. So It's nice having options. I can't even remember when the last time it was that I vlogged, but today is Halloween, so I've got my cute little Sanderson Sisters sweatshirt on, and I've got my little black ghost Halloween earrings that I wanted to put on and wear. I don't really think I'm going to be dressing up or doing anything this year. It is very, very cold today too. So my Barbie costume's just not really working out for the weather. So thank you so much for watching my October vlog, and I will see you guys in November.